Hello everyone, this is Mihir Korulwala from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuations. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Vinati Organics. Analyst upgrades the stock to buy with a revised price target of Rs 2000. Considering the expected momentum in ATBS sales, the management expects a 20% revenue growth for the next 3 years, led mainly by ATBS and antioxidants, with long-term sustainable blended EBITDA margin of 26 to 27%, including other income. Company's revenue (PAT) are expected to clock at 19.8% and 21.3% CAGR over FY24 to 27. The stock is trading at 33.5x FY26 and 27.9x FY27 EPS. Next, we have an update on Carborundum Universal. Clarifying the news, Carborundum Universal's management confirmed that VAW's sanctions are minimal and to the tune of 2% of overall profitability. VAW's export now cease to exist and focus purely on domestic sales. With the fear of VAW's sanction diluting, we expect growth momentum to continue, driven by sustainable demand across segments in the long term. Factoring in the very marginal impact of VAW's sanction on Carborundum Universal's fundamentals, Analyst upgrades the rating to buy for a target price of Rs 1100. The stock has meaningfully corrected by 34% and provides a value buying opportunity. The stock trades at 28x and its FY27 EPS respectively.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.